Hi everyone, looking to open an N26 bank account in Germany in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process on how to open an N26 bank account in Germany quickly and easily. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid German address, and possess a government-issued ID. To get started, go ahead and head over into the official website of N26 or download the N26 app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on the sign up button or the open free bank account button at the top right corner of your screen, and that will redirect you into the section where you can actually create your account. Now fill in your personal details in the section. So you first need to set your country of residence to Germany before you get started. After that, you'll need to enter your personal details like your full name, email address, and country of residence. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding with the next step. Check your inbox for a verification email from N26. Click the link to confirm your email and move on to the next step. Enter your German residential address and tax identification details if required. This ensures compliance with banking regulations. And to verify your identity, upload a government-issued ID such as a passport or national ID card. You may also need to complete a short video verification via a secure call. Now create your login credentials, including a secure password and PIN for transactions. Enable two-factor authentication for added security, and once your identity is verified, you can deposit funds into your N26 account via bank transfer or credit card deposit. You're now ready to start banking with N26 in Germany. And that's it. You've successfully opened your N26 bank account in Germany.